What if I told you that almost every song you have ever loved, and I mean hundreds and hundreds of songs, were built on just 3 chord progressions? And today I'm going to show you exactly what they are, how to play them, and how to use them to start playing your favorite songs right now. I also put together a free PDF called the 3 chord progression cheat sheet. Everything we cover today is written out so you can follow along and practice at home. The link is in the description. We're going to go through all 3 progressions. I'm going to show you the famous songs hiding inside each one, and by the end of this video, you're going to be able to sit down at your piano and actually play something that sounds like real music. So let's get into it. Progression number 1 is what I call the hit, and here's why. This is the most common used chord progression in the history of pop music. Once you hear it, you are going to start recognizing it everywhere. So here's this first chord progression. We are playing the C major chord, which is C, E, G. Then we're moving to G major, G, B, D, then A minor, A, C, E, to F major, F, A, C. And then we're moving back to C major. In our left hand, we're playing fifths, and a fifth is like basically playing the root chord, but leaving out the middle note. So you can see my right hand is just playing C, E, G, but my left hand is just playing C and G with no E. That's a fifth. So check it out, hands together. Like I said, this chord progression is in thousands of songs. For example, Let It Be and Hey Soul Sister. By the way, don't forget to grab the free 3 progression cheat sheet in the description. Everything we cover today is written out so you can practice it anytime and start playing these songs right away. Progression number 2 is called the tearjerker. It's the same 4 chords as a hit, just in a different order. But that small change completely transforms the feeling. This one is darker, more emotional, and it's hiding inside some of the most powerful songs ever written. All right, so here's the chords for that progression. It's A minor, A, C, E, to F major, F, A, C, to C major, C, E, G, to G major, G, B, D. Our left hand's gonna be doing the fifths again. So check it out. This progression is in the song All of Me and Hallelujah. The third progression is called the classic. This one has been around for a long time, and it's just 3 chords. It's the foundation of rock and roll, blues, and country music. If you want to understand why music feels the way it does, it starts right here. So like I said, this progression is only 3 chords, and this is what they are. The first chord is C major, and we're doing the fifths as well in our left hand. Then we have F major, and then G major holds for a little bit longer. So here's how this one goes. This progression can be found in Twist and Shout and La Bamba. Those are your three progressions: the hit, the tearjerker, and the classic. Three chord progressions that, between them, unlock hundreds and hundreds of songs you have loved your entire life. And now every time you sit down at the piano, you have something real to play. Don't forget to grab the free 3 progression cheat sheet in the description. Everything we covered today is written out so you can practice it anytime and start playing these songs right away. Now here's the thing. You just learned 3 progressions and you can feel how powerful that is. But if you really want to understand what you're playing, why these chords work, how to find them in any key, how to unlock even more songs, watch this next. This video will take everything you just learned and make it all click on a deeper level. And if this video helped you, be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.